Today I'm going to be unboxing a GoPro Hero 8 Black. Isn't that great? Waterproof. Hyper smooth, time warp, 1080p live streaming, live burst, super photo, HDR, raw files. Waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, GPS function built in. 12 megapixels, 8 times slow-mo. I had a GoPro 4, maybe you saw me unbox that 5 years ago. I have to open it so I can start playing with it, right? Well, how do you do that? Let's see. I'm going to pull this tab, see. Here it comes. You're the first one to see it. Whoa, isn't that nice? Nice box. This plastic base that's mounted on is glued onto the cardboard, but we can use that base sometime. But let's just unhook it. It's supposed to take all the other attachments from the older GoPros. This is on there just to keep it stable, I guess. Let's see. Pinch it, slide it out. A little different. Everything's sealed up so you don't get any water in there. Let's take it off of here. Let me show you one thing I know is different right away. Is it has these mounting legs built right into it. See? And they're metal. So you can just get your attachments and attach it however you want to mount it. Or set it flat on a table. Or hold it in your hand, or use a tripod when you put the right mount on the bottom. Now, of course, you know I didn't charge the battery or anything yet. This is where the battery goes. You pull that down, lift it up. Battery goes in there, and the card right there, the mini SD card, which I happen to have. Real good one, Extreme Plus. U3 4K. Close that back up. See what else is in the box. Goodies. Unlimited cloud storage. We'll see. Damaged camera replacement, no questions asked. What? Oh, you're probably gonna pay for that. It says free plus. App. I already have the app from my old camera. Yeah, it shows the card going in there too, where the battery goes. Have questions? Not yet. I'll let you know. Oh, stickers. Ooh, look at this. Oh, fine print. Oh, these are product and safety instructions. Alright. Check them out. What else we got? Battery. That's nice. I'll charge that up. Sticky mounting piece. and USB Type-C to charge it in the computer or wherever you want to charge it. Wonder what was in here. Think that was in there? And fell out during shipping, maybe. Alright, that's the unboxing of the GoPro 8 Black. Gonna have a lot of fun with it. Maybe you have one already. It's supposed to have a real good microphone built into it. But, you know what else I got? The Media Mod. Which is what? Directional mic. It's supposed to be real good. And it also has a 3.5mm mic port, HDMI out, which this camera doesn't have because it's waterproof. So you can add this attachment on, which isn't waterproof. So you can do all your extra fun stuff. So you can record real good sound when you're not underwater. And it has a couple other mounting points there for lights, and they also have a pop-up screen that you can see if you're taking selfies, which I didn't get yet, but I'll get it when I figure this out first. Wow. That's on there. Let's cut this bottom tape. Media Mod. Specifically for the 8. There it is. Oh, they really pack them good, don't they? There's another mount here for you. Screw to connect it with. What else? That's it. Oh, see, that connects with the Type-C. Slide the side off. I'm going to read about this. This opens up, I believe. Alright, I'm going to learn about this. This looks like it's a spring mount here. See the hinge on top. And the switch on the bottom. And there's the directional mic right there. So yeah, take this off. It comes right off. And then you have your Type-C there, and the Type-C there. It goes into there. Like that. But I guess I had to open this. This opens like this. Pull that down. Comes apart. Put your camera in. Make sure you're plugged in over there. The USB goes where the Type-C plug goes in. See that? Slides in. Right in there. You close this up. Oh, now you got a nice mini shotgun type microphone. Isn't that nice? Alright, I'm going to read this for a while. Hook it up to my phone. I'm sure it has updates it needs. Put the card in and get going with it. And when you plug in the Media Mod, you have other hookups. 3.5, another mic input, USB-C, charge it there, and HDMI out. Or, you know, the mini HDMI out. So it has a lot of other functions once you hook this into there. It's nice. I also got screen protectors, but I don't know if I need them. You don't want to scratch it up, but I don't know if I want to put a lens protector here. This doesn't come off like the other models, but I don't know if that's going to degrade my quality if I put a cover over top of that, you know. A lens protector. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching, and look forward to some nice 4K videos coming up on this channel and my other channel. Okay? Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.